What's going on, everybody? Welcome back again. I'm going to do another monthly update for you guys. This is for the month of April of 2022. This was another awesome month. I sold a lot of items. I sold 21 items in the whole month and I made a couple $1,000. Just like the month before, this is way above average, so it's very awesome to see. I'm glad that I'm selling a lot of stuff and making some good money on eBay. So I'm gonna list out all 21 items right now, so bear with me as I get through this and then I will break it down after. GM blind spot module, $65 plus $5 shipping. Toyota Venza taillight, $75 plus $15 shipping. Toyota Avalon headlight, $250 plus $25 shipping. Dodge Challenger seat cover, $100 plus $10 shipping. BMW 330i headlight, $150 plus $25 shipping. BMW 330i active grille shutter, $110 plus $15 shipping. Jeep Cherokee taillight, $40 plus $15 shipping. Range Rover headlight, $85 plus $25 shipping. Volvo XC90 fan shroud assembly, $125 plus $35 shipping. Toyota Prius tailgate molding, $300 plus $45 shipping. BMW 5 Series headlight, $400 plus $25 shipping. Nissan Sentra headlight, $80 plus $25 shipping. Honda Pilot bumper molding, $85 plus $25 shipping. Subaru Legacy headlight, $300 plus $30 shipping. Mazda blind spot sensor, $100 plus $5 shipping. Kia Sportage fog light bezel, $65 plus $10 shipping. Audi Q5 bumper filler, $150 plus $15 shipping. Toyota Venza tailgate molding, $200 plus $35 shipping. Nissan Rogue headlight, $450 plus $30 shipping. Honda HR-V taillight, $75 plus $15 shipping. Nissan Sentra grill, $75 plus $30 shipping. As you can see, those are all the items I sold. It is quite a few. It added up to 21 items in the month of April. Those 21 items added up to $3,820. plus $460 paid by the buyers for shipping. It was only $435 to ship all the items out, and then minus $429 in eBay fees. And I ended up with $2,876 in profit. That's way above average for me. I usually do right around $1,000 a month, so almost $3,000 is well above. The last month I did almost the same, so the last 2 months have been awesome. It comes out to $136 in average cost per item. That is pretty good. I did sell quite a bit of small items, but I did sell a bunch of headlights that were worth good money and a couple of other things that were more expensive. So it turned out to be very good. That's about it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys my monthly update of what I sold. 21 items, almost $3,000. If you guys are thinking about selling car parts online, or if you're trying to part out cars and make money at home, please look into this. Please subscribe and see all my other videos. I have a lot of videos up that talks all about this. So if you guys have not subscribed, stay tuned and I'll get back to you soon with more videos. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you next time.